How to fix Windows 11 Windows Update error. 1. Enable the Windows Update service, make the service run automatically. 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 3. Try Reset Windows Update tool. 4. Free up disk space. 5. Run DISM and SFC commands. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-health-dism/online/cleanup-image/restore-health 6. Disable Windows Defender temporarily. 7. Manually update the Windows Update by accessing Microsoft Update Catalog website.